We're going to select the Start Machine Toolpath Simulation tool, and we need to select the tool change in the order that we want it to be viewed. So the facing operation we want first. So we select that first, and then we select spot drilling, then deep drilling, and then circular milling, and then the profile contouring, and then the pocketing. So notice the facing operation is first as we play it, and then we go to the spot drilling, and then here we go to the deep drilling, and then the circular milling will follow as I right here. And these because of the frame rate that I'm recording at, this is a little bit choppy, so you don't see the full effect. After the circular milling here, we're going to get the profile contouring, and I should turn this upside down because that's what we would be doing. So let me rotate this, and we'll continue our play. And here we are starting the pocketing, and we're doing the first layer here, and then we'll do the second layer. And again, it is a little choppy, so it's going around, but you can see the green tool path that it is marking out. Now I'll just rewind that and play it again, and then we'll go on to the post-processing, and we'll save the post-processing to a file, and that way we can just download it to the CNC machine. And when you select the Generate NC Code Interactivity tool, you need to select, you should have the part operation or the manufacturing program that you want to have highlighted before you do that, which I have not done. And so once we generate that, we'll see which one it actually executes. And I'll just open that file in Notepad right here, and notice we do have a problem. The facing operation is last, not first, and the tool change, the spot drilling, is first. So we do need to change that in the specification tree.